Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about Sellvia Dropshipping tutorial. So as you can see over here, we are at sellvia.com, and at the top of the page you can see start your e-commerce business with Sellvia. So what is e-commerce? We all know nowadays that online stores and marketplaces. So why Sellvia? So Sellvia is one of a kind ecosystem that includes an e-commerce platform, United States based fulfillment center and manufacturing, a growing stock of best-selling products. So dropshipping software, marketing guidance, and lifetime one-on-one support, everything you need to start and run and grow your business. This is the easiest way. So reach millions, like obviously we can see they are saying that get access to our 2050 plus million audience of US digital buyers. So these people are a lot. So these people are only belong to obviously United States of America, and these are some things like deliver smiles, make money. And if you want to scroll down, you can just scroll down over here, sell from anywhere, no matter where you live. Use the Selvia e-commerce no matter where you live. So just remember that, use the Selvia e-commerce platform, fulfillment center, and 5-star customer service to sell your product all across the US. So you can sell from anywhere to the US, like United States of America. So if you scroll down, you can just market your business on different platforms like social media, Instagram and Facebook. If you want to do that, they are allowing you to do that also. And if you scroll down, obviously these are some analytics. So rest of the things are very like normal things over here, like what can you sell, made in USA, fashion, gadgets, pet products, kids and baby products, and sports, home, health, crafted, auto. So these are some categories they are saying that you can do that over here, and these are some things which you can read them later also. So what we are going to see before we go continue, like you can see at the start menu we have two options over here, Sellvia and Sellvia Pro. So what Sellvia is providing: one click import and fast US shipping obviously, and 10,000 plus bestsellers. So they are providing in Selvia package that these are some things they are providing. But we are going with the free tutorial obviously, and free account for 14 days. So just remember that. And at Selvia Pro we have also ready online store. We have online store over there, and hassle free, 100% hassle free, and personal manager. So these are at Selvia Pro, and if you want to go ahead and do that, you can do that also. Click on it, Selvia Pro, and you will end up over here. So these are Selvia Pro over here. And what are we going to do? We are going to start for free. So click on it, and as you can see over here, these are the things which we need to understand very carefully. So what actually going on over here, like a turnkey e-commerce store, it it cost around $400, but obviously we are going with a free trial. They are cutting it, like obviously they are not charging you right now. And you can see that hosting free with Selvia Pro subscription, 48 per year, $48 per year. If you going to subscribe to this later after 14 days, they will charge you $48 per year, which is not bad in my opinion. And Salvia Pro annual plan, this is over here, you can see, read that, and you save around $447, this, which is a lot. So right down below you need to enter your email obviously, and your card number and name on card, some more details over here, and complete order. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and I will meet you after. So here we are. So we need to understand and we need to fill out some survey they are providing to us before we go continue. So what would you say, like to say? So what happens now, you need to identify that what are you going to sell. So we can see over here, like they are recommended like bestseller, fill your store with hot must haves that are already proven to sell well and generate high profits. So these are some things they are providing you, like they are telling you that in your store they will provide, they will add those products which are really uh, like best selling products out there in the e-commerce market. So we have family store over here, fashion accessories, home and garden. And if we go at more options and we scroll down over here, like made in USA, so everything which has been made on USA, it will be added on your store. Your gadgets, car accessories, health and beauty, jewelry, kids and baby, pet products, sports, online exclusive, crafted by hand, and eco-friendly. So these are some things which you can add to your store, but I'm going for this tutorial base, I'm just going with the simple ones, and I'm going with this like a click to continue. And over here, which is very useful, so at the top you can see that I have registered domain already. So like if you have added, like if you have any domain already, you can just click on it and you can add over here. Otherwise they are providing you over here some free and some like paid version obviously. So you can just go ahead and click of them, but you can see there are a lot of them which you can use. So these are like zeal improve, zeal chime, welcome ample. So these are some like a lot of them are very free, and a lot of them are also cost a lot, like $100, $300. So in my opinion, just go ahead and choose simple domain, but remember that it will last forever for your uh, store. So I'm just going with the extra labs, and because it sounds good and it costs $0, so I'm just going with this. Click to continue, and here we are. So what will your website look like? So obviously they are going to create your website because you don't have any domain and you don't have any website. So you can see, if you want them to make on Friday, it will cost around $67. On DaVinci 67, 67 again, and Rubens. So I'm just going with the free one, which is Rubens, and you can just scroll and you can see that they are giving you some previews like how it will look like. I'm just going with the normal one and click to continue. So the last step is, would you like to upgrade your store from very start? So in my opinion, just go ahead and choose any one of them and click to finish. Simple as that. If you want to understand like a product catalog upgrade and social media package, if you want that, you just go ahead and select them and click to finish. Just you need to wait for it. It has been processing, and please, so just you need to wait for a while. So after some time you will get email from Selvia, because it will take some time to create a website for you. And right now obviously I can show you the website I've been working for and putting information for. So I'm just going to show you how it will look like. So this is the email where you can see how you can receive your website through Selvia, and it will look like something like this. As you can see over here, this is the example for like as a reference. This is how it will look like. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create how to create Sellvia dropshipping and how to do Sellvia dropshipping actually. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing, and please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.